ball of the innings.
The bowler missing his line here, and that's a wide.
He is arguably one of the best hitters in world cricket. That's a very loose shot at this stage of the game. They're packed one side, making the batsmen go for shots like those on the other. Excellent captaincy. That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for 4. Here we go. Wonder where the next one is going to fly. That is a superb shot of a pretty good ball. He seems to have carried his form from the last match.
That is a very good shot. Excellent placement and timing.
No ball called. Overstepping on the last one, and that will be a free hit. He read the length perfectly. That is a beautiful 6. Oh, he has got a wide range of shots. What is he going to do next? Missed that completely. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. Oh, lovely shot. That is a beauty. That will be 4. Pacer introduced from the other end. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for 4. Well, he has got the license to go here. Crowd is going crazy. Oh, lovely shot. That is a beauty. That will be 4. This is scintillating batting. Wonder where the next one is going. Bang! Into the gap for 4. It is showtime. Crowd going mad here.
The bowler missing his line here, and that's a wide.
There is a fielder at cover.
Oh, lovely shot. That is a beauty. That will be 4.
Can he do it again?
The bowler missing his line here, and that's a wide.
The bowler is bowling from his favorite end.
Oh, didn't have a clue about that one. He should look to get his eye in before trying something extravagant. Splendid shot, and it flies to the boundary for 4.
Outside the inner circle.
Oh, he picked up that nicely. Beautifully picked up all the way. He seems to have carried his form from the last match.
Hit on the body. It's a nasty delivery. The field has been opened and the batsman should be looking to get those easy singles. They are calling for 2. That is excellent running between the wickets. The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field.
What a ball. That is an absolute ripper. He has produced a peach of a delivery.
Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. Oh, that must have really hurt.
Deep point in place.
He has gone for a loose stroke.
He is taking a long walk towards the pavilion.
Spinner into the action from the other end.
Deep point in place. That has made some serious damage. He has been ruthless against the spinners in this series.
They have run the first one quickly and should be looking for 2. That is excellent running between the wickets.
They would definitely have a score in their minds.
Oh, close. Huge appeal and given. Batsman having a chat with his partner for the DRS review and they decide against it. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. Plays and misses. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one.
nudges it for a single. What a ball! That is an absolute ripper. He has produced a peach of a delivery.
Spinner into the action from the other end. The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field. He has hammered that, and that sails into the crowd for a six.
There is no better sight than watching him bat at his best.
Great shot! He has dispatched that, and the fielder can only watch it land into the crowd.
Here we go. Wonder where the next one is going to fly. That is six. That is just magnificent batting. He seems to have carried his form from the last match. And he helps himself to a six. Oh, he has got a wide range of shots. What is he going to do next?
That was a quick single. Nice running between the wickets. Last ball of the innings coming up. Unable to break free. Missed that completely.